Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. This is the continuation of the previous video on decoding VIN number. Let's fasten our seat belt for the video to continue. Hope everyone are at good health. In the previous video, we've decoded the year of manufacturing, right? In the same way, every manufacturer has month decoding. In the Maruti, if it's the 11th digit, if it is A, it is January. If it is B, in the 11th digit in Maruti cars, in Maruti manufacturing, it will be February. If it is C, March, like that it will continue. Same way in Nissan, again it is the 11th digit. If it is A, it will be January. So depends on the VIN number and the month of manufacturing. If it is 2025 stock you are buying in 2026, you can negotiate better discount if the car is more than 3 months, 6 months, 9 months old. So before you take those older cars, you'll get a good discount, but make sure you get a PDI done from outside, that it is not a repainted car or any damaged car, etc. Make sure you take that precaution. For Tatas, it is the 12th digit to know what month it is. In Honda, it is 9th digit of the VIN number. In Renault, it is 11th digit again. If it is Mahindra, it is 12th digit. In Volkswagen, it is 4th digit. In Skoda, it is 6th digit. MG, it is 9th digit. In Toyota, it is 18th or 19th digit, where A, B, C, D. A stands for January, B stands for February, C stands for March. Like that it continues. So this is how you can decode your VIN number, the month of manufacturing of the car, of different brands, different coding. And same way VIN of the year, as I've told in the previous video. So if you find this video is informative, useful, share it to your friends and relatives. Subscribe the channel. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.